Hello everybody, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. What we are going to discuss today is, you probably have heard, 2015 to 2019 automatic 8-speeds can be prone for issues. There's all kinds of information on the internet, and GM basically denies it, but they're doing the triple flush to the converter. We've heard some good results with that, but basically there's a way to avoid the issue entirely. It's with a little device by Range Technologies called the Range device. Now, this thing new costs $200. I will tell you that you should scour some internet forums that deal with Corvettes, because when people sell these cars, and people are selling these cars now because they're stepping up to the C8, they usually sell their parts that they bought, and you can usually get one of these for between 100 and 125 shipped. I think mine was somewhere in between that. But basically, all you do is you plug it into the connector, the diagnostic connector underneath the dash, and that can be found right here. Okay, and just so you show, it's going to go plug in this way, right? But that's the top of it. Range Technologies, right? So anyway, I want to talk a little bit about that too, because if you live in a state that has emissions testing, right? And you go with that in there, well, they're going to see it for one, and I don't know what they're going to say if they see it in there, but you need to disconnect, pull it out before you go for emissions testing, and drive this thing like 100 miles. I don't know if any of you here are privy to using code readers, but if you have a code reader, there are status monitors that will blink when you plug it in, and there would be 3 of them. I forget which ones won't come on. And basically, it'll look like you haven't tested at all. They will. I don't think they fail you, but they'll make you come back. So let's talk about some caveats with that. For one, I've been told that the 2015 to 2019 Z6, as long as you don't keep it in eco mode, that you won't have the problem. The underlying issue here is that the car goes into 4-cylinder mode, and it puts a strain on the torque converter, and those are 2 things that I've read about. Now, ironically, I have a 2014. This is a 2015 to 2019 issue because I have the 6-speed automatic. Now, honestly, I do know that by plugging it in, even on the 14, it does keep it out of eco mode. And I'm sorry, if I want to drive in eco mode, I'm going to drive that little black car over there. You see, that's my Chevy Cruze. That's what I take to work. I didn't buy a Corvette to be in eco mode. Did you? Anyway, it also keeps the exhaust sounding a little better, let's just say. That combined with me pulling fuse number 39 of the 2014, and I kind of like the way it sounds compared to without the device hooked up and with the fuse in. Anyway, let me know what you think of this. Range Technologies. Please like, comment, click the bell to be notified as I drop daily, as you all know. Subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. Again, this is Corvette Dan. Until the next one, thank you very much.